Hello guys, so this is part 3, and this is round 13. I started at round 5, then round 8, and now round 13. I just got down, so I had to buy Quick 5 and Juggernaut again. This is my first time going down. And I have my RPD upgraded. So yeah, and I have Galgan upgraded. Come here, zombie. Oh, I'm gonna get speed up cool. You know what? Let's do it. Yeah, we got it. Come on. Yeah, speed up cool. Speed up cool. Look. Look at that. Look at that thing. Sing Texas. Blow up. Yeah. 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 See? You have to hit them twice. No, but now I got insta-kill, which is capital, and it's good for the environment. Yeah, it's good for the environment. Quick Revive is good for the environment. Yeah. No! I failed. Stick him. I'm doing pretty good. That's pretty quick, actually. You know what? If I get ray gun, I'm gonna trade for the Gale for some reason, or hammer. No. But I still like that gun. It's the best 3-round burst to me. Points. No, I'm down. Sorry, guys. Look at this thing. It's a missile. Oh, round 15. Come on. I should have needed this. I'm about to die. Yeah. Oh, round 15. So that was part 3. So